Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Sharma and welcome to the Professional Cipher channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Facebook comments into your Django web app. So let's start the video. So let's create a new project first and name that Django Facebook comment integration. Open this folder and open command line here. So to open the command line in the address bar, type cmd. So we will be creating a new project. So type Django admin start project and name of project will be FB comment, and I don't want to create a separate folder for this, so I will use dot sign. So the project has been created. Now go to the project. Let's see if we are in the project directory. Okay, so the project has been created in this parent directory. Here we have manage.py and Facebook comments. So open this project in our VS Code. So type code dot. Now run the server. Python manage.py run server, and here close this out and in the setting file so type here front end, because in the front end directory we are going to add a template file. So new folder, and here will be front end. Now in the front end directory create a new file which is index.html, and also create a new file here in the uh, fb comment folder, and that file will be views.py. Now here define a function, define index, which will take requests, and return render. We have to import render first. So from Django.shortcuts import render, and here type request and our template file name, which is index.html, index.html. So views, this file work has been done. Now go to urls.py and here type path. So when somebody comes to home folder, then he will be redirected to views.index. So here import the views from dot import views, and function will be views.index, comma, and in the index file title this fb comment, and here will be a h1 tag home. Okay, so save this and open our browser. Type here our localhost URL. So template not found, that is showing me error. So import OS, and I forgot to import OS and use base directory method. So os dot path dot join base directory with front end. Now this should work. Actually, I have created the front end directory inside this project, so I have to move this out of the here, and if I see this now, it should work. Okay, so refresh this. Okay, now this is working. So now go to Facebook developer plugin page. Facebook developer plugin page, and the very first link of developer.facebook.com, and here leave all the parameters as default. Here we have so many options like comment, embedded comments, and the group like button, quote, save button, and so many things. So leave them default and just click on get code. I will explain you all these fields. So firstly, copy this to your template file. So if I go to index.html and copy this in the top very top of the body tag. So I have pasted this in the top of body tag. Let's ident this properly. Okay, and paste this one wherever you want to see your comments. So currently I don't have any proper format of the template, so I will paste this below the home. So I will create a break line break here and paste that here. So if I refresh this, okay, actually we have copy page plugin button, but we have to copy this one comment plugin. So open this one and copy, click on get code, and we will not copy this one because we have already included, and this is same for every code like comment, like button, and page button. Every for everything it always the same. So just copy this one and paste it into wherever you want to see your uh, comments. So save, and so on the first time it will took some time to load. Okay, the comments have been loaded, and they are very irrelevant comment because I have not do these comments. So if I click on here, then you will notice that here is a URL section. So here we have to paste the URL for our website. So I will not change here. I will change as if you will see the documentation like data href. So here data href is the attribute by which we can change the URL. So I will copy this and go to my VS Code and paste this here. So we have changed the URL. Now the command should not be appear again. Okay, so it's loading. So here are some test command. Basically it loads the commands on the basis of the URL. So there are a lot of many people who have done commands on this URL. So these all are test command, and these all are developers who have commented just for test purpose on this URL. So we will change the URL as per our needs. So if I go to VS Code and let's configure a new URL. So that URL will be path, and let's call that my list, and here will be list number like this, int number and slash. So this will be like this, and the view function that going to execute it will be views dot comment, 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 comma, and save this. Now come to the view page file. So here define that function, define comment, which will take request, and it return render request, and our template name will be what to say, let's say that comment dot html. So that will be our template. Copy this and create a new template with this name. Now here change the title, which is FB comment, and here firstly take comments, and now we will include our comments here. So if I click on save and copy all this code, I have to change the URL here because I have removed that. So currently just copy this one here to paste the code. Now click on get code, copy this into the top of the body tag, and indent this, and here we will add our comment. So copy this and paste here. Now change the URL because changing the URL is most important. So our URL will be once a second, remove all this stuff from here, copy this and paste to the comment file, data href attribute. So paste here, and now this time we have to do some changes as we have defined in the URL. So here we have URL my list, and if I go to comment, so type this here, and just click on save and open this my list. Okay, we have to provide the ID or number. So let's provide this two for now. Okay, just let me check what happened. So we have not handled the argument, so type here num and save that. So refresh this again. Now comments will be loaded here, so just wait for that. So as you can see, the comment box has been added here, and now I can do the comment like nice one, and if I click on post, so as you can see my comment have been posted. And but if I go to another URL like my list 3, so the same comment will be appear here. So this should not be happen, because some just as you, if we have a lot of list and the same list have sorry, the different list have same comment, then it will be a big problem. For example, we have a blog and we see the same comment on all of the blogs, or say you can say that on different blog, so that will be a big problem. So as you can see that I have same comment here, and I have same comment on the 2 and 3 both numbers. So we can also fix this. So just go to VS Code, and we will send the data dynamically in this case. So this is very easy, just follow on, and you will understand very soon after watching this. So data, and num, pass the num here, and num, pass this to data and save this. Now open comment file, and here type put these two curly brackets as you do in Django template language, and type here num. So as you see, if somebody type let's go to our URLs. If somebody type my list and enter the number 3, so 3 will be passed to the comment uh, here. So 3 will be passed to this function, and this function will return index comment.html, and uh, send the data to this template, and in the data we have that number which is 3, or whatever the user passed. So when this data go to the comment.html, then we the URL will be as per the data user as per the number that user have entered. So if user entered here 3, then comment will be according to the 3, and if user enter any other number, then comment will be according to that number. So if I go to my list, and my list let's say 1, and enter, so no comments here. So let's try and add a comment like this is a comment on 1. So the comment has been added to list 1. Now if I go to 2, so as you can see that the comment is not here. Now if I add the comment something like this and add 2, so I am adding this number so that I can remember what I have done on these comments. So if I post this, and now if I go back, then you can see that there are no comments that have been mixed up, as we see in the previous time when uh, our all the list numbers have same comment. Now all these numbers have different comment, because comments are fetched according to the URL which we passed here. So if URL will be different, then comments will be different, and all these comments are saved uh, on the Facebook. So I can delete my comment, and I can also edit my comment. So if I click to edit this, then I can edit this too. Save. So now the comment has been edited. I can like this comment also. And so this is how you can integrate comments. Now the same procedure goes for like button. So if I come here and if I see the like button, there are so many buttons in the sidebar. So click on like button. Now do some changes here, like change it to large so that it looks some bigger, and here we can change the action. So we can change it to recommend, we can change it to like. So click on get code, and now this time we will not copy this one because we have already copied this. We will copy this. So control C and go to VS code. So go to here and type like button below, and paste this here. Now change the URL as per the comment. This is very important. Okay, so we have completed this. Now go to here and reload this. So as you can see, we have comment which we done previously and a like button. So click on like, and it will ask to confirm this. So confirm and like. So the comment has been liked by us by clicking on this. So it has been liked by us. Now if I go to like 233, so I have not liked this, and I doesn't have any comment on this because I doesn't do any comment in the previous time. So if I add a comment something like that, and now do like, confirm, like. So the like button has been activated. Now if I go to previous one, so reload this. So as you can see, I already have liked this because this like has been saved to the Facebook database. And if I go to here, so here I also have liked this because my like has been saved. Now if I go to somewhere where I have not done any like and press enter, then you can see there are no comment and no like for this. So this is how like and Facebook comments work. And there are a lot of things like page button, share button. Page plugin is what we have seen in at the very starting of the video. So this is how everything works. Now go and explore yourself, and you can change uh, like size of the button, and in the box count you will see preview, like you will see like this, and in the button count you will see like this. So there are a lot of things, and these all are like uh, how much value you can change for the attribute. So this is it for the Facebook comment integration video. And if you feel any difficulty, then please comment below. I will solve your problem. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video.